Hello everyone. As I'm receiving lots of calls regarding slowing down of the computer, and it is physically not possible for me to check each and every computer, so I'm making this video wherein you can do this certain basic things at least to speed up your computer. First, click on the start menu, click on settings. You will find these options. In this you find apps. Click on that, and here you will find all the apps which are present in your computer. Whichever app you don't want, just click on it and click on uninstall. Mostly what happens, some gaming services and all are given by Microsoft. Those you will not be able to uninstall. Okay, so second method by which you have to speed up your computer is click on start, go to settings, go to apps, go to startup. Earlier we had gone in the apps and features. Now we are in startup. Now here you will find some apps are there which are already starting on their own. Turn them off. Turn them off so that now this is an antivirus. So let this be on. So some of the apps which you usually don't want, just turn them off. What by turning them off is not you're not uninstalling it. So whenever the computer is starting, these apps will not start on their own. But if you manually go and start this app, the app is going to start. The third option is start, then settings. Now you go to privacy. Earlier we had gone to apps, now we're going to privacy. Now in this privacy, scroll down to find background apps. And here you will find lots of apps are open, and these apps will be running in the background. I have turned them off. You will find them on like this. Turn them off. Now the fourth method. This method I will keep up to you. Now whenever you're opening any folder, you see here now when I'm opening this and when I change this view, I am able to see the preview of the photo before opening it, what is there in the photo. This option and such small options, like when I take this, you see here the path is seen. Similarly, some features, these features will go away because of turning this option on. So you decide whether you wish to do that. In case your computer is very slow, then go for this option. Click on this PC, right click, go to properties, then go to advanced system settings. And in this advanced system settings, under performance, you'll find this setting. Here, click on adjust for best performance and click on apply. And when you click on apply, click on OK. Okay, the next option, fifth option is click here, go to settings. Then you find system option first, click there. In that you will find storage. Now here you will find whatever storage are available in your computer. Now here on the top you'll find storage sense. Now when you turn this on, it will automatically delete some temporary files. These temporary files are not your files which you have created, but the computer has created them while preparing or working. So keep this on and the computer will clean all these temporary files. Yes, the next one, the sixth point, click here, go to settings, again go to system, then go to notification and turn off the notifications. You will stop receiving those notifications, and this also will speed up the computer because the process of getting those notifications also consumes lots of process. Okay, so the next option is open file explorer, go to this PC, right click on this, go to properties. In this, you on the top here search, you will find, click power options, and here it is power options. Click on that, and here you will find balanced. If it is on balanced, then click on high performance. When you click on high performance, your computer will be utilizing all the resources so that the computer works in the highest performance.